Hello, in front of me I've got Endorfy Thock V2. In this video I'll show you where is the wireless adapter. Endorfy Thock V2 has three ways to connect it with PC. You can connect it via cable, via Bluetooth, or via 2.4G connection. The wireless adapter is located at the bottom of the keyboard, right here. This spot is magnetic, so you don't have to worry about losing it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.